Hello, this is a lazy day on maternity leave and Mugo duties.
I've not started maternity leave, but yeah, vacation leave, whatever.
So we woke up today. We actually slept late yesterday because we had
Cooking.
we were cooking. We had pre-maternity cooking with Finesta. So we slept really late. Actually, we slept this morning, and then it's been a lazy morning today. We woke up 8 and decided to come wander at Winners. This is what we're doing.
Wonder at Winners.
Ooh.
That's the name of the vlog. Wonder at Winners.
So we're just at the mall now.
We're buying stuff,
Random
spending
stuff.
money that we don't have per se. But this makes us happy. Girl therapy.
So spend the day with us or the week with us, depending on where this vlog ends. Toodles. You know when you do not plan to spend money? And now we are rationalizing it by saying, oh no, I saved money on the other thing. I'll usually do my nails.
Girl mat.
And
Girl mat. Like the things we bought now, if you divide it by the number of times we wear it,
it's worth it.
it's worth it.
So now we're going to Dollarama
To actually buy
the thing that brought us here. We're just trying to buy disposable plates. That's it.
I think it's supposed to be less than $20. Now we're going to spend 150.
Actually, it's 150, more than 150.
Okay, waiting now. Why they add the extra money now? I say 100, you say 150. I say 150, you say it's more than 150.
The brown top, nko,
That was
20.
then we took
170.
Uber here. It's okay, bye.
Look at her hair.
Yeah, she
Her
can.
hair, that's what
Maybe
I'm
if
trying
you
to
can
carry
see.
on my hair.
He said, you know how when in a stand for in a snap, the person when they snap and look the picture already like 15. I'm writing the same thing. Why you know they smile? Which one way they do like say remember why we did not cry on our wedding day?
We're in a distress.
We were too we told it so we scatter.
Yes, no.
The emotion was not. I remember self that when we were doing this thing, like I noticed that this thing opened for me, so I didn't feel beautiful in the whole reception in the church wedding.
You're just conscious.
I was so self-conscious of the thing, and then I now told Kede to take me a picture. Let me see. She now took the picture and see what the. I said I'm finer than this on the normal day now. Who sent me with this frontal? Who sent me?
The problem is just that anyways, wedding.
Who send me?
Because no be you dey see social media where people dey rain dey fall gbagbagbagba on their wedding, they no dey send. What is done is done. You just ignore it and.
Send me. Who send me? You gonna catch the cold from your heart. This, you know, say now she cloth away.
I'm not sure it now.
As I was
It's giving rich woman.
Let me go back to editing. supposed to wash first. Thoroughly cleanse your clean your face.
You don't have wipes.
Huh?
You don't have wipes.
I have wipe now, but I prefer to wash now. We went outside.
Yeah, go and wash now.
Did you wipe your face?
I want to wipe it.
And let's go now. Once you're recording, let's go and carry wipe and wash face.
Cheers. Look at us now in this video and be like, this one's don't have
problem in life.
Yeah, they're just chilling. Chill babes and just I'm gonna wear the way again, my guy. Why is it like this? upside down.
Yeah,
It's
actually
like this.
folded it
Wrongly, right?
too much. The folding is
It's like
confused.
this.
Yeah.
How am I able to eat my plantain chips now? Drink my matcha.
Okay, more open.
As if we're grinding.
Smell. 4 times you put it on.
2:34 a.m.
1932.
That's the only looking brown. It's not looking brown, but it's the reflection of the shirt.
Brown, okay. What do you mean by brown?
And it's looking like a shirt, looking mellow.
It's looking like I got accident and they wrapped me.
No, I'm talking about the color of the thing. It's not, now it's looking white in my hand.
Remove that chips from the. Oh, your. Oh, I didn't see it. Use the
But
one
it's
that
fine.
has.
I can move it. It's okay. Let's come out for it. No, I want to mix it.
My own now will be rubbish because I'm backing the light. See?
Of course.
Oh, yeah, let me go and stay there.
Wait, let me take this one first. You look like accident.
I told you. It's a bit spicy on the face. You have to be sure that it's not pregnancy that is making it spicy. Waiting be this. Wait be this. Wait, take them again. Wait. I actually like the background and the picture. It's a stupid picture, but I like it.
Okripo. I don't even know. You look like a ghost.
That's the bowl.
Your top and your heels.
Good.
We're not anything. Not for my people.
This chair
Still one
should
place
show.
now.
This is the
Not
other
sure.
one.
They close their open eye, they do everything.
Part of the thing.
Okripo. You look like a sticker. You know, because the whole face is white, right? When you open your eyes and then your black and this thing is showing, your white, the white part of your eyes showing. It's not looking like, you know, those stickers that you like. Can't help you more than that.
You know fine, you know fine.
No fine.
Jesus. The blood.
No, you see that you look like ghost.
I would prefer the ones on that side. At least it was, I blended into the environment. phone never recognize me for face recognition.